Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my full wash and styling routine for perfect curls every time. And these curls are gonna last you for days, no touch-ups required. My last wash day was Tuesday and today is Saturday. So this is what my hair looks like on day 4. It's still looking pretty good, but I'm ready for a restyle. So here we are in the shower. The first thing you're gonna do is get your hair soaking wet. Starting with shampoo. Today I'm going in with the Curlsmith Vivid Tones Vibrancy shampoo. This shampoo is really mild. You're not gonna notice a whole lot of sudsing with it. It's great for hair with color and it's perfect for all curly hair types. I've really been loving this one. I'm almost completely out. It's also cruelty-free, vegan, made without silicones or sulfates. This is more of a splurge shampoo. It currently retails for $26 at stores like Ulta. So in 3 areas of my hair, I'm gonna go in with about a nickel size amount of product. And I'm gonna start to really scrub that in. Now, I'm really careful not to use my nails as I don't want to damage my scalp, but I am making sure I'm using my fingertips really well to clear out any oil, debris, buildup, things like that. So I'm gonna work that in really well, adding a little bit of water here and there to help move the product around. Once I'm feeling really clean, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that out. Next, I'm gonna go in with conditioner, and today I'm using the Monday Curl Define and Peptides conditioner for curly and coily hair. This product has no parabens or sulfates and is certified cruelty-free. I've really been loving this brand the last few months. It's been working really well for my hair, so you can find this for between $7 and $8 usually. So what I'm gonna do is split my hair in half, and I'm gonna take about 2 pumps of the product and start working that into 1/2 of my hair. So at first I will glide the product over the curls, just trying to get it in between any of the places where I may have knots so that I'll be able to start raking my fingers through it much easier. And then I start to gently try to rake my fingers through my hair. If I find any resistance, I'll usually pull my fingers out, try to massage the product into it more, and then go back in and gently continue to rake until I'm able to run my fingers easily through my hair. Then I'll get probably an extra 1/2 pump of product and start working on the roots. So I will typically start from the ends and the middle part of the hair and then finish with the roots, and then keep working the conditioner through until I can run my fingers easily from root to tip. And this is the moment I realized I forgot to put my hair strainer over the drain. Oops. Anyways, then I go and do the same thing on the other half of my hair. About 2 pumps for the middle and ends and another 1/2 pump for the roots. Then I'm gonna rake all my hair to the back of my head to get it out of my face so that I can go on to do all the other things I need to do in the shower. So I'm bending over and I've flipped my hair forward, and I'm gonna start brushing from the root to the tip. And this is gonna help get any knots out of my hair, make things super smooth, but most importantly, this is my first step in achieving volume without having to blow dry my hair. So I'm brushing through from the back, and then I switch brushing from the front, from the root to the tip, staying bent over the whole time. And now in a bent over position, I am going to rinse the conditioner out of my hair really well. And the last thing I do before leaving the shower is I very slowly run my fingers down from the root to the tip, creating really smooth clumps. This is a really important step to achieve smooth, frizz-free curls. And as quickly as I possibly can, I am gonna go style my soaking wet hair. I've got my first 2 styling products ready to go and a towel set on the floor ready to catch all the excess water and product that may fall on the floor. First, we're going in with the OG, the classic Tresemme mousse. So I went in with about, a rounded handful of mousse. And I start by just gliding that over the back and the front of my hair, making sure I'm getting it at the root all the way to the ends. And then I go back in and I scrunch it into my hair gently. Next up is the Jessie Curl Spiralicious Styling Gel. I found this product a few months ago and it has been a game changer for me. I know it's kind of hard to tell here, but I'm going in with about 2 nickels worth of product. And I'm going to do the same thing with this product. I'm going to glide it over my hair from the middle to the tips of my hair, going back, making sure I'm getting it at the roots. And then once I've glided it over the hair from the back and the front, I go in and scrunch the remaining product into my hair gently. And then I'm going in with a microfiber towel and scrunching that in just to collect some of the excess water. Okay, we're back standing up and I'm gonna go in with a 3rd product. This is the Inner Sense I Create Finish Workable Hairspray for Hold and Shine. You really don't need much of this product at all, but it is gonna help with hold and shine and keeping things frizz-free. And it'll completely scrunch out, so don't worry about having stiff hair. All right, guys, the hard part's over. My hair is super wet and freshly styled, and I am just letting it air dry today. So we will pick this back up to finish it off in a few hours. In the meantime, I'm gonna be really careful with my hair and try to touch it as little as possible while it's drying. And this is really important for helping to maintain frizz-free curls. Okay, here we are about 3 hours later and I am ready to finish it off. I'm just gently sticking my fingers in at the root to make sure everything is really dry and ready to be styled, because if my hair is still wet at all and I start tussling it, it's gonna create a lot of frizz. Everything feels and looks good, so we are gonna go in with the Verb Ghost Oil. This product is about $20 to $22 at Ulta, but it does last me a really long time because I only use 1 pump every wash day. So I'm gonna take that 1 pump, spread it in my hands, and then I'm going to start just gliding it over my hair. So I glide it over one side and then I flip my hair to the other side and glide it that way. And then I'm gonna bend over, flip my hair over and start scrunching it in. And then I stand back up and flip my hair to one side and scrunch it in that way. Then I flip my hair to the other side and I scrunch it in that way. And then I bend back over, flipping my hair forward, and I'm gonna start shaking out my curls at the root very gently. And then I'm standing back up and putting my hair to one side and shaking the curls out at the root on that side. And then, you guessed it, I'm flipping over to the other side and shaking at the root on that side. I'm bending over one last time to give everything a really good shake. And basically, what we're doing with all this is breaking the cast off the curls so that they're super soft and touchable and there's no crunch remaining in the hair. Final step here, I'm basically just feeling around my hair to see if there are any curls that still feel crunchy, and if I find any, I am taking them and just gently pulling at the end to break the cast off of that individual curl. And there you have it, guys. That's my full curly hair wash day and styling routine. This routine will last me for days. I don't need to touch it up at all. I don't need to add water. I don't need to add any other products until next wash day. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more curly hair and styling content. This is my typical daily routine that I do when I'm not blow drying my hair, but I have another routine for on the days I do want to blow dry, or on the days that I want even curlier hair, or different routines for when I'm styling for different events or different looks. So if you're interested in seeing any of that, you should definitely stick around. Thank you so much for watching.